In comic art, a standard elliptical dialogue balloon usually implies a normal speaking tone, but well-rounded characters usually express a range of emotions that can decrease or increase the volume of said tone. In this episode of Say What, we explore how comic artists use balloon design and lettering to depict changes in volume. My name is Vernon. Welcome to ToonSchool. Today we're starting on the softer end of the volume scale with the whisper balloon, which is a dialogue balloon designed to show that a character is speaking in hushed tones. In this case, both the balloon and its pointer are drawn with a dashed or dotted outline. For those drawing by hand, the challenge with a whisper balloon is keeping the length of the dashes consistent all around the balloon. You know how it goes when we draw something repetitive like the bricks in a wall. The first few rows are 5 millimeters high, and by the time we get to the bottom, the bricks are 3 centimeters high. We start off concentrating and then we drift off. It's a thing. Now, if you're not feeling the dashed whisper balloon, the artist can also use a standard dialogue balloon with a solid outline, but let the lettering do the heavy lifting. The first example is using a noticeably smaller font size to the rest of the artwork, clearly indicating that that character is speaking in a softer tone. This can obviously also be applied to speech that is mumbled or incomprehensible. The key to this technique is leaving enough negative space between the text and the border of the balloon, because smaller text with a smaller balloon may result again in a normal speaking tone. The next option is actually quite simple. Change the color of the text. Instead of using black, you use gray. And using a noticeably lighter tint of black would obviously be more advantageous. Now, I haven't seen much of this going around, but I know it's a thing. Finally, I've seen comics where the artist would simply write the term Sotto Voce above the text. This is an Italian term that translates to under voice or under your breath. It's used in music to indicate that something should be sung or said in a softer voice. I'm telling you, cartooning is not that complicated. Like I said in the video on well-placed lines, on how to show that something is brand new, where you can just write the word new with a little arrow pointing at the item. Same thing here. If there's going to be any doubt, spell it out. Yes, there are rules. Yes, there are tools, but there's also a lot of room for creative freedom. That was a lot of rhyming. In cartooning, much like in life, quiet speech is controlled through restraint. And as comic artists, we control that restraint through our balloons and our lettering. In part 2 of Volume Balloons, we'll look at how to show that things are getting a wee bit louder. Until next time, go out, be great, live creatively in very many directions, and may the creative force be with you.
Sotto Voce.
Sotto Voce. Sotto, that's American.
Sotto Voce.
Sotto Voce. Sotto Voce. Italian.
Without further ado, let's dive into today's word, sotto voce. which
Sotto
means-
Voce.
Let's say it all together.
Let's.
Sotto voce.
Sotto Voce.
Sotto voce.
Sotto
Now, let's
Voce.
split the
Sotto Voce. Sotto Voce. Sotto Voce. Yep.